Have you ever heard someone saying that they make money from the internet? Or you've been wondering, how do people make money from the internet? Hello and welcome to this very training. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 businesses you can do to start making money from the internet. My name is Jonathan Emmanuel from Jabi Concepts. Okay, let's go down to it. Number 1 business you can do. These 7 businesses are not arranged in let's say 1, 2, 3 in order of priority or whatever. You can actually do any of them. I do not have preference to anyone, even if I do some of them, if not all. But I'm going to be sharing 7 different businesses you can be doing on the internet to make good money. All right, the first I'm going to be sharing with you is coaching business. Yes, you can start a coaching class teaching people how to achieve a certain goal in a particular area of their life. You can teach them something you already know. Now, before I go on to the next business you can do, you can please subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe and also click on the bell icon after you subscribe. Alright, now if you subscribe, don't forget that sharing is caring. So also do it to share this video with your friends, your neighbors, and your colleagues. Alright, so business number 2 you can do on the internet. Freelance writing. Yes, I'm sure some of you may have already heard about freelancing. Freelancing remains one of the very big businesses you can do on the internet. Now you can create an account, a free account from Fiverr, from Guru, from Upwork, and there are lots and lots of them. You can start as a freelance writer and do every other thing. You can even be a freelance graphic designer or freelance developer or whatever you choose to do. So freelancing is the second business you can do online. Number 3, you can start doing trading. Binary trading, forex trading, currency trading, crypto trading, and gold trading, whatever trading. But please permit me to give a warning here. Make sure you learn the skill very well before you start. I plead with you, make sure you learn the skill of trading very well. If possible, get a mentor. Make sure you learn it very, very well before you start. Okay, number 3 business you can do. One of the businesses I love so much is information marketing, or sell something online. You can sell an online course. Is there something you know how to do? Maybe it's how to lose weight, maybe how to pass exams in school, maybe how to write a book, or whatever you choose. Now you can package that valuable information of what you know and sell it as an ebook, or probably make a video of it and sell it. Now I am making this video for you. Some of you will be getting this video for free. It's information I'm giving you. I'm giving you the information. I can as well choose to sell the information. So I can package whatever I know and sell it or give it out for free, or maybe start an online school where I sell this information. There are other places you can also sell those information. Udemy is one, Teachable is another one. So many of them. So many of them. Now I have a book titled The Millionaire's Guide that will teach you how you can really start making money from information marketing. So you can get that book. If you want to get that book, drop a comment below this video or just send me an email and I will tell you how you can get that book. Alright, number 5 is web consulting. Some of you that know me very well know that this is my core area of strength. I design websites, I develop mobile apps, and it is a very, 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 very big industry. You can start designing websites for clients or for whoever. You can also start developing mobile applications, and you can even develop for yourself. and post it online, post it on Google Play Store, post it on Apple, iTunes, or whatever you choose. Okay, now you can learn this skill set. This is a skill that you have to invest in learning. But if you really want to learn it and you're serious about it, shoot me a mail, drop me a mail at support@jabiconcepts.com. Just drop me an email and I'll tell you how you can get started with web consulting. Very quickly, number 6 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is like information marketing, but in this case, you're not really producing or you're not really writing your own product. You don't have to break your head over doing research and all that. You don't have to do the research or do the designs of your sales page, your squeeze page, your opt-in page, even if I advise people to always have their opt-in page. But in this case, what you're doing is someone else's product with an agreement. You enter into an agreement with the person, and then you sell that product and you make a commission for yourself from the profit. And there are very good networks, affiliate networks you can join for free. There's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, and lots of them. You can join those networks for free and you can start selling people's products and start keeping part of the sales money. All right, number 7, sorry, the last but not the least in this particular video is e-commerce, mini importation, drop shipping, Shopify, Teespring, and all the rest. Mini importation is another very big business. You can start importing things from, especially if you're in Nigeria like I am, you can start importing things from China and you sell it out in Nigeria. Quality products. You can import anything. I do tell people you can import just about anything apart from human parts. Yes, just anything you want to import, you can get it imported and you sell it. You add some margin to it and then you make profit from it. Okay, now I also have an ebook on mini importation. You can get my ebook on mini importation. It will show you how you can get started with mini importation and how you can start making money with mini importation. Now these are my 7 businesses you can start doing to make money from the internet, and the good thing about them is that you can start doing them right away. Now if you have a question about any of this business, please drop a comment below this video in the comment section. You can also send me a mail at support. Send a mail to support@jabiconcepts.com, or you can also connect with me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, or even on Skype, and I will reach out to you. So like I've said, if you have any question, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and share this video. You can also send me an email at support. Send your emails to support@jabiconcepts.com, and then you can also do me a WhatsApp message and I am going to respond to you if you need further guidance. So thank you for seeing this video. My name is still Jonathan Emmanuel. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and click on the bell icon when you subscribe so that you'll get updated whenever I share new videos like I do every day. I do share videos every day on how you can make money online. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.